Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create PDF files in .NET MAUI using IronPDF. So today we'll look at creating a PDF inside a .NET MAUI project from an HTML string or a URL. To start, I've already created a .NET MAUI project, and now I'll install IronPDF by searching it in the NuGet Package Manager. From the search results, select IronPDF, select the project name, hit the install button, and this will install IronPDF into the .NET MAUI project. So now that IronPDF is installed, let's go to the main page.xml file. So this is the default UI. So let's replace it with our new UI. So I've now replaced the code with our new UI. Firstly, I create a button that when clicked will convert an HTML string to PDF. And in the vertical stack layout, I create an input box and button for the URL to PDF conversion. Next, I assign a click function to the button. And now I'll define this click function in the main page XML.cs file. So let's move to that file. This is the default code. So remove the following function and we'll replace it with our custom ones. So we now see an updated code. Firstly, I import the IronPDF and IronPDF rendering in this file. Next, I create a Chrome PDF renderer object. After that, I create a variable named URL and assign the empty string as a value. I then create a function named HTML to PDF, which helps us to create a PDF from HTML string. In the HTML to PDF function, I use the render HTML as PDF function and pass the HTML string as a parameter. Then I save the file using the file write all bits function. We want to be able to save the file using our desired options and open the file on click. So to do this, I'll create a save service class later. In the URL to PDF function, I use the render URL as PDF function, convert the URL to a PDF file. I set the paper size to A2 for a better result. And after that, I implemented the same thing in the HTML to PDF function. So with this code written, let's create a save service file. So to do that, right-click on the Solution Explorer and select New Class from the submenu of Add. Name the class as Save Service. Then we'll create the class. We'll remove the default code and write the following code. I created a partial class and created a partial function named save and view. I'll implement this class in all platforms to save and view files on each platform. So go to the platforms folder and open up the Androids folder. And we'll right-click inside the folder and add a class. And then set the class name as Save Android. Hit Enter. So I'll implement the partial class save service here by removing the following piece of code, writing that code. And this code helps us to save and view the PDF file in the default application on an Android phone. We have to write this type of code for each platform that we use, so this can become quite laborious. To save time, you can access the full code in the GitHub repo for this program. So this file helps us save and view files in the Windows application that we are going to test. So let's go ahead and run the project and view the output. All right, application will look like this. We'll click on the HTML to PDF button. You can save the file anywhere. Click on the save. This pop-up will appear. Click on yes. And open up the PDF file. So our generated PDF file looks like this. IronPDF has converted the HTML string to a PDF. So back in the application, now type the URL of the IronPDF website in the text box. And click on the URL to PDF button. And now the file creation process is underway. Save the file and click on the yes to open up the file. And we see that the IronPDF website is converted into a PDF file. IronPDF preserves all the details of the website, including the colors, fonts, text boxes. You can see all the buttons and text boxes are working. IronPDF has done a great job of this conversion. It's perfect. So thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And as always, if you need any help, our support team is standing by, ready to assist.